Well, hello and welcome to my channel. So I'm an Associate Professor of Cardiovascular Sciences at the University of Birmingham, and a lot of my research is looking at the normal cardiac physiology, in other words, how the heart works normally. My particular interests are regulation of ions in the heart and signaling that follows from those changes in ion regulation. But I also am particularly interested in disease, so heart disease. I'm interested in arrhythmias, why they occur, what triggers them, what medication we should give to treat those. Some of the arrhythmias that in particular I do a lot of research on is atrial fibrillation. I'm also interested in heart failure, the mechanistic causes, the mechanistic drivers, genetic drivers. I'm interested in cardiorenal syndrome, or in other words, how patients that have chronic kidney disease develop heart disease, what best medication to give them. My research is taking place from molecular to cellular to whole organ physiology to in vivo physiology, and as well as gets taken into clinical trials. And I work with really a fantastic team of people from University of Birmingham, but also from all around the world. And in this channel, I'm going to try and translate some of my interests, some of my research interests, as well as some of the kind of interesting nuggets of information that I find over to you. And of course, if you do have anything that you would like me to cover, please let me know, and I will do my best to relay that in a YouTube video format. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the content that is there. These are just some of the videos, and this will develop as we go along. So enjoy the ride. Bye.